Guys, I'll be showing a simple trick on how to connect your EC2 instance, your AWS EC2 instance with your laptop. It's just a very simple trick and a one line of command. Just stay tuned and watch the video to the end and learn how to connect it.
So if you want to create an instance, you click on instance, then you come to launch instance. So let's go back, you click on EC2, click on instance, then you launch instance. My network is kind of slow, so you put the instance name. Let's say add the tech test, science for testing. Then let's scroll down to key pair. I actually have a key pair, but if you want to create a new key pair, you click on create new key pair. You click on create new key pair here. You create new key pair, but I have key pairs I've created. But for the instance of this class, let's create a new key pair. Let's create a new key pair. So you put the key pair name. Let's say test. It will be tests dash key pair. Test dash key pair. You leave it as RSA. It will save it as .pem. Then you click on create key pair. It automatically download it to your machine. Once you've done this, for now you just leave everything as default by using SSH connection. So you leave it as allow SSH traffic. Then you click on our key has been downloaded. You click on launch instance. Click on launch instance. Sorry, let me plug my click on launch instance. Oh, come on. The instance is loading. As you can see, it's loading. So let's wait for it to finish. Our network is not that fast. So for the meantime, let's go to our code. Let's go to our terminal. As we're waiting for this one to, let's go to our terminal. Let's open the terminal. Let's open the terminal. I will change. We'll change the. As you can see, the instance now is running. So let's go to our terminal. Let's click on our terminal. Let me increase it. I've actually changed. Let's clear ULS. Then you change mode. And change mode 400 to give permission to the key pair. So you've done that. So you go to the terminal. Let's go to our instance now. You click on this side and open your instance. Once you've opened it, you copy the IPV4 DNS. You copy this address. You copy it. Click on this. Copy. It has been copied. Let's go back to our terminal. Click on our terminal. Let's increase it a little bit. Okay. So now SSH -I. Then this is in our download. Before then, let's check our working directory PWD. So look at the paths to our password, to our key pair. So if you SSH -I, then we'll put the path to our keyboard, home /isaac /downloads downloads test dot keeper. As we've done that, there will EC2 dash user at, then we'll paste the IPv4 DNS we copied, then we'll click on enter. No such file in the directory. Are you sure you want to connect? Say yes. What is the problem? Permission denied, public key. I'm coming. Let's clear our showing us permission denied. ls test keeper.pem. Okay, so let's complete the name dot keeper dot pem. So let's try it again. Whoa, as you can see, it has connected. Now you've actually connected to your EC2 instance. If you print the working directory to show you home slash EC2 user, if you want to clear it, to clear. As you can see, we are now connected to our cloud computer, AWS EC2 instance cloud computing. If you want to install anything, you can do it from here. If you want to host a web app, if you want to do anything, you can do it from your local machine instead of clicking and clicking. So thank you guys for staying to the end. The step is very simple. First, you create your EC2 instance. Once you create your EC2 instance, you create a key pair. If you don't have a key pair, you create a new one, but if you have, you can just use the one you have. After you've created a key pair, you copy your IPv4 DNS. Copy this address. Once you've copied it, then you go to your terminal and let's exit on this. Then you go to your terminal, you put SSH-I, then your home address, no, the path to your key pair, then EC2 user at your IPv4 computer. So thank you guys for staying to the end. Don't forget to like and share our video. Thank you. Gracias.